15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he heffinin'. Core with digits, give him estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby. LABB been the team, baby. Bim Papa, word the G, baby. Look.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back with another video. Today, it's all about finding that damn fender, and I did not know that this fender was so hard to find. Only place I could find it would be the dealership, but we're gonna try this salvage yard that I've been going to for years and see if those guys have it. Hopefully they do, and I don't have to spend $300 on a brand new one from the dealership, because it doesn't really need to be new. It just needs to be good. It has to have no dents, no nothing like that. So hopefully we can find one, and hopefully it's not as expensive as a dealership, and if it is, then we might as well just get it from the dealer. But we'll see. Right now I'm gonna call homeboy, but first we gotta go get some breakfast.
Lab till I'm finished, had a handful of lemons through the hand, got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket, talking money to the millions. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they finish in the game, and I'm flipping every
Uno de machacado,
Y uno de papa con huevo.
uno de machacado, uno de papa con huevo. ¿Algo más joven quiere agregarle frijoles, queso, bacon?
No, así nomás.
Ok, muchas gracias por esperar. ¿Su nombre?
José.
José. Ok, José, van a hacer 2 tacos, uno de machacado y una papa con huevo. Ya le bendiga.
Gracias.
No, eso nomás tengo el puro driver's side. Passenger side no tengo ahorita.
¿No tienes passenger side?
No.
Fuck. ¿No te sale ahí quien tenga uno? I had no idea that it was gonna be this hard to find a single fender for that, slightly used or without it being all messed up. We're gonna try the dealership on Beltway 8, and hopefully they have it.
How may I direct your call?
Can I get the parts department, please?
Unfortunately, parts is closed on the weekends. They'll be open Monday at 8 a.m.
Bruh. Manual Auto Parts say that they have it. We're gonna go look at it and see what they got. Hopefully it's a clean one, and if it is, we'll take it. If not, then we're probably gonna have to wait till we either go and get it from the dealership, which is gonna be about 300 bucks, or we get it from them, which is gonna be about 125. But depending on the condition, you know, that's pretty much what matters. If the condition on it is fucked up, I'm not gonna get it. I'm just gonna go and pick it up from the dealer. So we'll see right now.
to let you know that I don't need you. Y'all cats be see-through, heading out to peace. You been king, I'm regal, got it in my Abisu. Came through tripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a peace. Love is love. Love is love.
Alright guys, we just pulled up to Manuel's. We're gonna see if they have a fender. Hopefully they do. And if they do, then we'll take it. And if it's good, if it's in good condition, then we'll take it. But if not, we're gonna go to the dealership after this.
Hold up with it, got my back on Pippin. I'm back in kitchens with the tray. Windows tinted like how black my skin is. Scoop the shorty in it from a J. Swish, she got vision just like any women giving me the.
Eso no es un vergazo, ¿no? Así es, así
no,
es.
Okay. Aquí es de aquí.
Deja checar el otro lado.
Mande.
Si le machea, pero como...
No, así es,
Sí,
así es, güey.
sí es,
Así
okay.
es. Ya.
Se mira medio raro. Pero no creo que le afecte mucho ese, ¿no?
No, pues la del otro lado se ve igual.
Yeah.
Que trae
Yeah.
la misma curvatura esa.
Ok. Está bueno, pues me lo llevo.
Sí.
Sí. to move it because he couldn't open the door to pull out those last 2 bolts. But he's almost done. Alright guys, so that was a good buy. You know, we got lucky. We're gonna big shout out to Manual Auto Parts on Spencer Highway. Hooked it up on the fender, got it in and out. Now we're gonna head back to the shop and try to slap it on. Well guys, we got the fender on there. Check it out. Now I know it looks a little funny now because it's not all the way done, but once we finish it, the end result is gonna be pretty nice. We're gonna head over to go get the hood right now at Mauricio's shop. He's still working on it, so we're gonna go and get that now. We're gonna wait on him to finish it so we can slap it on and then take it to the wrap shop, and from there I don't know what's gonna happen, but we'll see. So ride along with us and let's see where this show takes us.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bindo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he having it. Core with it, just give him estimates. Summer sauce for my Benjamins. I got
The Escalade looks fucking dope. This is good rolling. The front end is fucking ugly as shit. My boy Mauricio.
they dumping. Nothing in my view, so it's hush on discussion. Hush on discussions, you know what you need to. I keep it in the fam to let you know that I don't need you. Y'all cats be see-through, heading out to peace. You been king, I'm regal, got it in my abisu. Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me.
Well guys, we got me working. The hood's almost done. It's looking pretty good. You already know, if you've already bought aftermarket hood, they come with thin metal, I guess you can say, and most of the time the thin metal will have waves or warps, so we just wanted to get those waves and warps out of the way. We've actually been doing body smoothing on the 4-door, which is pretty much just taking out little scratches and little dings here and there, just so that when we overlay with the wrap, it doesn't show through it. So this is why my hands are all dirty, and probably my face too. But that's pretty much it. Just kind of smoothing out the scratches on the edges, the doors, everything that looked like it was peeling. Just kind of like took it down a notch. You can't feel it as much anymore, so hopefully it doesn't show up on the wrap. But we've been doing that while we wait on the hood. This side had a little bit more little scratches, surface scratches that were still noticeable. So some were deep, some weren't. We were just trying to get the deep ones out so that they don't show as much. But yeah, the hood is almost done. Hopefully we can still go outside, and hopefully we can still get to the wrap shop in time. I don't know if they're gonna close, but hopefully we can make it, if not tomorrow or Monday. You know, we still have a few hours of daylight, but I don't know what time they close over there just yet. So we're gonna keep continuing on doing some of the body molding, I guess you can say, just filling out the scratches, and hopefully by the time that we're done, hood's done, we'll slap it on and head to the wrap shop. It's been a long day. You know, so far everything hasn't been going on our timeline, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna get it done. Patience is key. It is our free day, so we did a bunch of stuff at the shop today, and we're doing this. Times get hectic, but we gotta do what we gotta do. We also got the Escalade. We got a couple of upgrades that we're doing next to it. I'm gonna fix the bumper, put the new headlights, and then we're gonna repaint the hood and all the front end pretty much. Get it all repainted so that it looks nice, and that's pretty much it. Truck drives good. You know, I actually let that truck sit for a good 3 or 4 months. You know, just turning it on every now and then, but the battery kept dying on it. So I figured it was time for me to use it again. But truck looks good. And also, don't forget to go and cop the merch too. We got Mexican flag at the bottom. Make sure you guys go and cop them. Them stickers look clean. We're gonna continue here and see what time we get out of here. So hopefully we can make it out to the wrap shop.